So this is the first opening that we have, which is for the SOC Analyst L1 L2. It's a Bangalore based job. So L1 required 1 year of experience, which is pretty common, which is so low, so you can get this job. L3 L2 required 3+ years of experience, right? This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Now the next opening is basically someone looking for the cybersecurity professional with strong management and all vulnerability assessment and all those things. Key responsibilities, this is what you can see. These are skill required, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Guys, this is so easy job you can do, work from office, Delhi based job, right? Now next opening is 2 to 5 years experience required, 1+ CVs credit will be accredited, and it's for freshers can do, like if you're fresher and if you have 1+ CV credit you can do. Kerala and suraj@greenmethod.net is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? All right, now the next opening is basically for the role of information security auditor. This is for absolute freshers. This is GRC analyst role. 0 to 2 years experience required. Sector 63 Noida is the location. This is a responsibility you need to do. You need to just do some sort of audit part, and they are the required thing. This is good to have, and this is mail ID on which you can drop a resume, right? And this is this, yeah, two mails are there. Now the next opening is basically for the SOC engineer. This is mail ID on which you can drop a resume. These are the things, right? Next opening is basically for the cybersecurity professional in Hyderabad and Noida location, 7+ years of experience required. They're all these opening, right? So you can check out, even apply. Next is senior QA quality assurance engineer manual testing. It's on site, 5 days experience required. It's in Berkeley. It's senior QA engineer. H1 visa will be provided, I guess. 10+ years of experience required. Local candidate will be preferred, but they are the required skills, right? If you want to apply, just check out this mail ID. Next opening is for the network, right? Network security engineer L2 role. 5 years experience required. This is Bangalore, a New Delhi based job. They will pay you 11 LPA, right? And router switching, firewall, Cisco's SD WAN. Knowledge is important. This is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next is application security dash requirement. 3 to 15 years of experience is required. Bangalore based job, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, hybrid. Their key skills and they are the key responsibilities, guys. By the way, this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Yes, that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. This is basically a new YouTube channel, Cyber Coffee. I'll tell you, if you watch video on Cyber Coffee, this is going to be very interesting. This is a very new channel of in Hindi. Watch this video, just comment on this video and you will get a free course. Yes, AI pen testing course will be provided for free to you. This is if you want web recent pen testing internship. This is if you want SOC internship, just check out the video. Thank you very much. You can ask a question.